It's a beautiful day for remote learning, a beautiful day for a lesson. Would you be mine? Could you be mine? It's a studently day in this beauty wood, a studently day for a lesson. Would you be mine? Could you be mine? I have always wanted to have a student just like you. I've always wanted to teach in a classroom with you. So let's make the most of this beautiful day. Since we're together, might as well say, would you be mine? Could you be mine? Won't you be my student? Won't you please? Won't you please? Please won't you be my student?
Hi everyone, welcome back to Miss Nichols' Neighborhood. It's me, your teacher, Miss Nickel, and I'm here with my best remote teaching helper, my sister, Kaylee Nickel.
Hi.
Hi guys. We're excited because we're continuing on our practice and review of subtraction, okay? This is for our second graders who have been working on double-digit subtraction. Today, we are going to learn a very useful tool to help us check our subtraction. Because sometimes you might have a problem you solve and then you might be like, did I actually solve that correctly? Did I get that right? Well, today, we're going to learn how we can then check that subtraction problem.
Yeah.
Ooh, I love it when we can double check and see if we're right on our own. Yes. Okay, so the first thing you're going to have to do, though, is first do the subtraction. Then we'll have to check it, okay?
Okay.
Let's look up here and look at this subtraction problem. You might have a subtraction problem like this. Let's read the problem. Get ready to read it with me. It says 50 take away 30. Okay? Take away or subtract. Remember, the first thing we like to do in solving our subtraction is draw a line down the middle so we remember our tens and our ones side. Do we start on the tens side or the ones side? I'm going to help you out here. We start on the ones side, okay?
Yeah.
Looking at just the ones, we have 0, take away 0. What's 0 take away 0? It's still 0. Nothing. Yeah. So I'm going to write my answer down here. I might have started us off at a pretty nice problem, we'll say. Okay? So 0, take away 0 is still 0. Now let's look at our 10 side.
Ooh.
Just our 10 side, we need to have 5, take away 3. You can even use your fingers if you need help with that, but maybe you just know it right away. 5, take away 3, 1, 2, 3. How many fingers do I have left?
I think 2.
2, yes. So I'll write 2 over here. And I can see that 50 take away 30 equals 20. Yay! But now, how do we know that's right? If only there was a way we could check our answer. But wait, there is. To check your answer, you're going to take your answer and the number that you subtracted and add them together. Okay? Again, you're going to take the number you subtracted, that bottom number on the problem, and the answer you just got, and you're going to add them together. If your answer, the addition problem, is the number up here, the number you subtracted from, you got it right. Now, I understand that was a little maybe, what are you talking about, Miss Nickel? Let's see it in action, okay? I'm going to take the number I subtracted, 30. Then I'm going to add it. We got to switch from subtraction to addition. I'm going to add the answer I just got, 20. And let's see if I got the whole or the big number I subtracted from. Okay? So now I have an addition problem. This addition problem, get ready to read it with me. It says 30 plus That's important to know. We're doing addition now. Plus 20. 20, very good. Let's go ahead and do it. I hope we get 50 as the answer. That means we'll have done it right. Just like we do with our double-digit addition, I draw a line down the middle. So I know I have my tens and my one side. Do I start on the tens or the one side?
I think.
Not quite on the tens. I got to start on the one side. There we go. Good job, Kaylee. Looking at just the ones, what's 0 plus 0? Is it still 0? Yes.
Yeah.
So I write 0 down here. I did the one side. Now I can look at the 10 side. Looking at just the 10 side, what's 3 plus 2? Let's use our fingers if we need to. 3 plus 2. Can we count them all up together?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in case we need to double check, we used our fingers, and 3 plus 2 makes?
I think 5.
5. Yes. I bet most of my singers already know that one, but I wanted to use my fingers just in case. So write 5 down here. I got my answer. 30 plus 20 makes 50. Is that the number I had over here that I subtracted from the first time? Yes.
Right.
So that means I got my subtraction problem right. Yay, we checked it. Awesome.
Yeah.
We're going to keep practicing a few more subtraction problems and then checking those subtraction problems, okay? Give Kaylee and I a few seconds to get ready. We are now back with another problem. We're going to first do our subtraction problem, and then we'll add the number we subtracted with the answer we get to see if it adds back up to the number we subtracted from. If it does, that means we will have solved our subtraction problem correctly. Okay, again, I might be getting too ahead of ourselves here. Let's just start with our subtraction problem up here. It's great. We're getting double reviewing about subtraction problems here. I love it. Okay, get ready. We're going to all read together our subtraction problem up here, okay? It says 65 take away 23. Let's go ahead and do our first step, which is drawing a line down the middle to help keep track of our tens and ones side. Do I start on the tens or the one side? The one side, okay?
Yeah.
So looking at just the ones, it says 5 take away 3. Maybe you already know that answer. Great. But if not, you could use your fingers. You could draw pictures. Let's use our fingers to do 5 take away 3. Just to double check, okay?
Okay.
So I have 5 take away 3. 1, 2, 3. How many fingers do I have left?
I think 2.
Yes, 2 left. So 5 take away 3 is?
2.
2. Yes. So I write 2 down here. Okay, I did the one side. Awesome. Now let's go look at the 10 side. Looking at just the 10 side, I have 6 take away 2. Maybe from all the subtraction we've done, you already know that, okay? If not, I'm going to once again use my fingers to double check. 6 take away 2. Here's my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 fingers up. Take away 2. Bye-bye to 1, 2. How many fingers do I have left?
I think 4.
Yes, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 left. So 6 take away 2 is 4.
Yeah.
Okay, I have a tentative, a maybe answer. I said that 65 take away 23 equals 42.
Ooh.
Are we 100% sure though? Maybe, but we're going to double check. Now remember to double check your answer. You take this bottom number, the number you subtracted and the answer, and you're going to add them together. Not subtract, you're now going to add them together, okay? So let's rewrite this as an addition problem. I'm going to move the number I subtracted, 23, over to here. I now have 23 plus, what was the subtraction problem answer I got? 42. I write it over here. 23 plus 42. I'm hoping that it turns out to be 65. But we'll have to see, okay? Now we have an addition problem, 23 plus 42. Just like we do with our double-digit addition problems, I'm going to once again draw a line down the middle. I have my tens and my one side. Hopefully you've been able to follow along at home. Answer, do I start on the tens or the one side? Which side? You want my help?
Yeah.
The one side. If you also said the one side, good job. We always start on the one side, okay? Looking at just the one side, I have 3 plus 2. Maybe from all the addition we've done, you know that answer. If not, don't stress. You can draw pictures to solve it, use your fingers, whatever you need to do, okay? I'm going to just use my fingers for speed, okay? 3 plus 2. How many altogether is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What does 3 plus 2 equal?
5.
5, yes. So I write that answer down here.
I say 5.
5, good. Oh, maybe we have a match. We'll see. I did the one side. Let's go look on the 10 side. On just the 10 side, I have 2 plus 4. What's 2 plus 4? Maybe you already know that answer. Maybe you want to double check. Could you use fingers or draw pictures or count on? Yeah.
Okay.
So I know I have 4. I'm going to count on or add 2 more. What comes after 4?
2.
No, when you keep counting, you have 4. Then what's next? 5, 6.
6.
So 4 plus 2 is?
6.
6. Good. I write that answer down here. I got 65. Is that the same number as up here that I first subtracted from?
Okay.
Is 65 and 65 the same? Yes.
Yeah.
That means our subtraction problem over here, we did it correctly. Yay!
Yeah.
Wow. Okay. We've done a great job so far. We're going to do one more problem where we check our subtraction for today, okay?
Ooh.
One more problem. Thanks for waiting. We're now back with our last problem for this lesson, okay? We're going to do one more subtraction problem that we then check by adding the number we subtracted and the answer together, okay? Because hopefully we remember the steps to subtract and to add. We're just learning that we check by adding the number you subtracted, that bottom number in the problem, and the answer together, okay?
Okay.
Let's go ahead and look at the subtraction problem we're doing now, okay? Get ready to read it with me, okay? Ready, set, read with me. 45 take away 27.
Ooh.
Okay? If you're following along at home, what's the first thing we draw down the middle so we don't get mixed up? Yes, a line down the middle. That way we have our tens and our one side. If you're following along at home, do I start on the 10 side or the 1 side? You always start on the 1 side. If you said that, good job, okay? Keep it up. The 1 side. Looking just at the 1 side, I see I have 5 take away 7. Huh. Can I do 5 take away 7?
No.
I don't have enough. 5's not big enough. I gotta go next door to the 10s to ask for a 10. Here I go. Help us, please. We don't have enough. So the 40, the 4, and the 10 is gonna give us. He's gonna say, okay, fine. Remember, he loses a 10, so he's no longer 4. He's now only 3. And now the 5 gains a 10 and becomes 15. The 1 in front of it. Easy way to add 10 to it. So, still looking at the 1s, I now have 15 take away 7. Okay? If you need to, you could draw pictures here to help you solve it. You could count out from 7 to 15 to see how many that is. Just to help us visually, I'm going to go ahead and draw it for us. 15, take away 7. Here's 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Take away how many? 7. Bye-bye to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now let's count how many we have left, okay?
Okay.
If you've been following along, please continue. Get ready to count with me how many are left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 15 take away 7 is 8.
Okay.
So I'm going to write that number down here. I have 8. Okay, have I taken care of the 1 side?
Okay.
Yes. Let's go over to the 10 side. Is it still 4 take away 2? No, it's now 3 take away 2. Okay?
Yeah.
I bet you can solve that very quickly at home, okay? 3 take away 2. What would it be? 3 take away 1, 2. How many's left?
I think well.
1. Yes, hopefully you were getting that at home, okay? 1. Okay. Do we have maybe an answer to this problem? Yeah. We so far have 45. Take away 27 is 18. But let's go ahead, double check it over here. Okay? If you're following along at home, do I need this number to check it?
No.
No. Do I need this number?
No.
I think so. I added these two together. Yeah, I'm going to rewrite 27 over here. 27. And what else do I add to it? 18, the answer
18.
we got so far. So now I have the addition problem, 27 plus 18. Okay, let's go ahead and do this addition problem just like we've been doing. What's the first thing? I'm going to draw down the middle. A line down the middle. Nice job, Kaylee. Line down the middle. So I have my 10s and my 1 side. Do I start on the 10s or the 1 side?
What?
The 1 side. Good job, Kaylee. Looking at just the 1 side, I have 7 plus 8. Okay, I could use fingers. I could draw pictures. I'm going to use the strategy of counting on. So I'm going to start with the big number 8 and count on 7 more. So I have 8. What number comes after 8? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 8 plus 7 is?
15.
15. Good. Can I fit all of 15 into here though?
Oh boy.
Nope. Got to give that 1 to the 10s. 1, 5. The 15. Because 15 is 10 and 5. So I give the 10 in the 10 spot and write the 5 ones over here. Now I look at the 10 side. Remember, you can't forget. You got to add all 3 numbers together. Okay?
Ooh.
What's 1 plus 2 more? What's that?
Wait.
3. Good. I'm going to draw this to remind me. Now what's 3 plus 1 more? If you're following along at home, 3 plus 1 more is what?
I say 4.
4, yes. So you write your answer down here. Awesome. I think we did it. We said 27 plus 18 is 45. Is that the same number as we started with up here? Yes, 45 and 45. I know it's hard to see because we had to regroup, but yep, it's the same. That means we did our subtraction problem correctly. Yay!
Right, yeah.
That's awesome. Wow, it has been a full lesson. Not only have we practiced and reviewed our subtraction, even having to regroup tens, but we then checked those subtraction problems by adding the number we subtracted, this bottom number on the equation, and the answer together, okay? So please remember to check your subtraction problem. You use the number you subtracted, or the smaller, less number on the bottom, and the answer. Add them together. If that addition problem answer is the same as the larger number, or the number you subtracted from, then you did the subtraction correctly. Okay?
Ooh.
I know you'll continue to see this and practice and review this in your learning packets this week, okay? Please keep doing your best. You can rewatch this lesson video, and I look forward to your great practice and review on your learning packets. Bye, everyone. Have a great rest of your remote learning day.
Today, I like